Okay, so today we actually have bought 5 packs of the newest UEFA Champions League Topps and attax. So I've bought 5 packs. I wish to open them, so hope to get something good. So it is now first pack. Let's get off. And we've got Midgira PK and Life Hote. We also have who's in, I think, Dynamo side grab captain. Wow, we've got Valencia here, who is 66 and 64, which I don't know why, because it's terrible. Just don't know why. He's got a little pace, but you can see these new cards. They've only got 2 wagons, and then they've got the guys here, and got stars, and they've got 8, but they didn't have the stats that they used to have before. And they also have Wolfsburg. Oh, good job! I've got Rodriguez, which is 94 in defenders. Oh my goodness. It's man of the match. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Man of the match. He's got 94 defending. And he's worth 11.5. Wait. That is marvellous. Really. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my fucking goodness. We've got another Ukraine player who is Sevilla. I think it's pronounced that Georges Krypchavyuk. He's 76 defense. I think he plays in the wing, and I think he's a Ukrainian player, and he's a star player. Oh my goodness. Star player. Damn goodness. And we also have Buck and Fabian Delph, which is one is in Porto, 68 in attack, and Delph has 67 in defense. Delph is too low rated. I mean, some of the guys are too low rated. Guys like these guys. Okay, just gonna put them. So now it's to this pack. Oops. So that's this pack, and we're definitely open it. Damn. Let me just open them better. Good. At least we opened them. Oh, we've got David Alaba. Who we can actually activate on the online code, which is using this code. Oh my goodness. Good Jonas. Right. We've got Pinchenko, who's in UCK, which is Moscow, I think. He's quite rubbish, man. Jonas, I think he's only 68 rating card. And oh, we've got Benega, and again, not this guy again. We've got the same guy. Oh my goodness, we've got the same guy, and we've got another guy here. The midfield duo. They cost us 4 stars, and they only get 69 defense. It's kind of cool, yeah. And we've got a really shit player. Who's I don't even know who he is. Wow, my goodness, we've got Mark Andia ter Stegen, which is the German goalkeeper, and attacking too, but he's got real good defending, and he is a top class goalkeeper for Barcelona. And we also got some. Oh, he is, I think, Olympiacos. Plays Olympiacos. Alexander Boys. So we've got two good players here. We got Tazane, that's dual player. It's still quite shit. Okay, let's move that back. So just down that. Okay, fine. Stick it over. Right. So we've got another player from Dinamo Zagreb, which is in the Croatian league, and 58 in defence, not too good. Oh my goodness, we've got Angel Di Maria. Oh my goodness, I really can't shock this. But seriously, why is he 18 attack? Fuck. Why is he only 18 attack? Can someone just explain this stupid thing to me? He certainly doesn't deserve just 80, he deserves 84 or 85. Even FIFA, I think it's 85 to 86. Why is he just 80? Shit. That's quite underrated. Wow, oh my goodness. We've got Albu. Oh, we've got that guy again. But this time it's man of the match, so the ratings is a lot higher, and you can see it's only 8 in tech. Hey, I think we found that in every pack. Oh my goodness, we got a star player again. We lost, so I think this isn't from. Whoa, they're all team partners. They are Dynamo. They're from the. Oops, sorry. They're from the Dynamo Moscow, and they're all. I think they're all partners, whatever. But they are both attax, and Yel have Kachin Ridi and Miguel Veloso, and he's a top player. Good job. We also got Saridu Keita, which I think is a central defense midfielder for Roma, 67 defense. Please, no, not this guy again. And I think we got Baharami. For which we can actually activate the last code. Okay, great job. So to the last two packs. Give me something good, man. Oh. Then veteran Trenzo, Martin Trenzo, which is actually captain for Borussia Mönchengladbach. He's also underrated, I think, in my opinion, because he plays quite good in passing, and he knows the game well, quite good. So I think he deserves about. I think about 80 racing or whatever. Right, so Trenzo. It's a quite good one. And got Ivana Ashar. He's 54 in attack, and I think he's from Carligent, which is also in Russian league. He's a 64 attack. Good job. Carligent. Oh! He's the most safest players of all time. Yeah, got Pepe from Real Madrid. So I think you guys will know him. Actually, he's also underrated. For God's sake, why is he just so 77? So, I think if you guys have played FIFA, I think in FIFA he's worth 80. I think 83 to 84 now. So technically, these are all underrated, and he's only worth 4, so I don't know why. Terribly. And we also got an Paris Saint-Germain player. Oh my goodness, oops. We've got Lucas and we've got Javier Pastore. Actually, he did that even wrong. that sort of midfield duo. He plays in the right wing, he plays in the centre. He actually plays on the first sheet, I think. That's wrong again. Not, I think he's good. This is correctly rated, good rated. And we've got this player again. Oh my goodness. And we've got the brother Torgan Hazard, which is we got the little brother of Hazard, and he also plays in Borussia Mönchengladbach, and he's 69 attacking out wide. It's quite underrated to me. See, we've got what is that? Johan Katridi. Oh, okay, it belongs to Pro 11. Sure. Good. So, to the left back. Sometimes it's from these stuff points okay. So actually I really know somebody on this side. I hope not. Players from Quadrant, which is Milzovic, and 62 in attack, not so good. Plays for also got Jacilo Santos. Everything is France. You see France. Plays for Dynamo Zagreb, 57 in defense. I don't really know these guys. Okay. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you simply freaking kidding me? I got Gareth Bale. Oh my goodness. I've got Gareth Bale. Oh my goodness, I've got Gareth Bale. Oh my goodness, he's one of the best players in the world. Oh my goodness, I've got Gareth Bale. My goodness, seriously, I've got Gareth Bale. No, I've got Gareth Bale. Seriously, why is he 86 in attack? I think he deserves a lot more because his pace, shooting and dribbling is a lot better. So, but oh my goodness, I don't know why I get him. And can you believe it? We've got Jonas again. Hello, me Jonas. And we've got Tuslika again. So forward duo and 75 in attack. I don't really know these players from Benfica, so I can't really mention them. Denny's Grand Marshal. What the hell is this? From Dynamo Moscow, and I think he's from Dynamo Moscow. Oops, he's from Dynamo Moscow, and yes, Dynamo Moscow, and not quite good. And Oscar Wendt, I think he's underrated. Damn, because he's actually a left back, plays in Borussia Mönchengladbach, and he's actually a very good player. He's actually a Swedish player which plays quite good football to me, in my personal opinion. So I think he rates is quite underrated. I think he deserves a little higher rating. We've got Peter Cech. Oh my goodness, we got Peter Cech. Ooh, good job. So this concludes. Oops. This concludes our pack opening. So hope you guys enjoy it. So we got quite good players this time. Okay, so before you guys see, take a little bit to look at these stuff. Oh, well, they all do. Okay. So got just now we say Wendt, we got Milzovic, we got Santos, we've got Gareth Bale, my favourite. We've got forward duo. You've got quite a few players from Dynamo, which is Scribnash, Orderbank, Delph, Canfron Vika, Ademi, Valencia, We've got these, of course. Stranzo. Oops, I thought that. Also got Syri. We've got Pepe. That's the backs. We've got Javier Pastore. We've got Mancini. We've got Hazard. We've got David Alba, which is in the online code. We've got Taravo. We've got Oops. We've got Angel Di Maria. We've got these guys. Ordubar, Veloso, Chivi, Keita, Dominguez, Haim, Benegar and Khrushchev, Jonas, Pacheco, Gerard Piqué, and Ricardo Rodriguez and Peter Cech. So that concludes our pack opening. Actually, this is our first episode, so I'm just going to get the introduction. So technically, this is, I just want to let you guys know that please, if you're interested in our stuff which we're doing, so later on we'll do some FIFA videos, also some online gaming videos, or some live physics videos. So if you're interested, please subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Google+, which is KS Hellskinki, sorry. Thanks.